Hey everyone, today we're talking about the most emotionally unstable gadget ever created, the analog camera. Yes, the only camera that says, "Trust me," and then disappears for 3 days. It's not photography, it's a suspense thriller. 24 shots, that's it. You get 24 photos, not 200, not unlimited. 24. Every click feels like you're spending rent money. Digital cameras say, take more. Analog says, choose wisely, my child. No preview, no mercy. You take the picture, and you don't see it. No checking, no zooming, no deleting your awkward smile. It's basically sending a message and throwing your phone into the ocean. Bold, dangerous, legendary. The waiting game. Now you wait for development. Days, maybe a week. That's not photography, that's character development. By the time you see the photos, you've emotionally matured. Expensive nostalgia. Film costs money. Developing costs money. Every photo feels like, is this sandwich worth $2? Suddenly you're selective, thoughtful, responsible. Analog photography teaches life lessons. The beauty of imperfections. And the best part? Analog is imperfect. Light leaks happen, colors shift. Sometimes the photo comes out slightly blurry. But that's exactly where the magic begins. Because analog doesn't try to look perfect. It tries to look real. And sometimes, the most beautiful moments are the unplanned ones. Closing. So why do people still love analog cameras? Because they're imperfect, unpredictable, and beautifully human. In a world of instant everything, sometimes waiting makes it legendary. See you in the next video.